Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the class. Lesson number 4. The lesson number 4 today, and we are going to talk about a new topic. Today, we are going to define the different names when the weather change. And you're going to understand the names, and you're going to learn, and you're going to classify the different changes in weather. Let's go. Okay, changes in weather. This is the topic, changes in weather. So as I told you, the weather has different changes and you have to see the different changes and you have to understand them. Okay, what are different kind of clouds? For example, not all clouds look the same, right? All the clouds are different. The last class we saw the information about the evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, the three states of water cycle, and this important information to about the clouds, how the clouds form. So this is other example that the different words, stratus, right? The clouds are thin, clouds very high. This is about the different kind of clouds, right? With the different names. But the most important thing that you're going to see is when different types of air comes together, the wind and the air have different speed, right? Super fast, super heavy, or normal without wind, right? So if you see, sometimes storms become very strong that can turn into hurricanes and cause disasters. Strong thunderstorms can make spinning columns of air called tornadoes, right? That tornadoes or tornadoes are very dangerous as the hurricanes. In Honduras, we have a long story about hurricanes, and actually the last year we passed two, right? Iota and Eta. I'm going to tell you the difference, right? We have the predicting storms. The people, or the human, have machines with computers and the satellites and antennas and the different instruments helps to predict, make a prediction of the different changing of behavior of the weather, right? For example, when one storm is going to come, the machine or the software about the satellite can tell you, right? Ya nos dice, va a llover la próxima semana, viene una tormenta pronto. So you're going to understand and you're going to know about the different instruments about predicting the storms. This picture that you see in there, or this picture, the name is tornado or tornado, right? Tornado is in Spanish. That tornado, right, is really dangerous. Why? Because it's wind spinning around and can lift the roof of the house or animals, cars, and destroy everything. It's really dangerous because if you are there, you can fly, right? Te levanta y te lleva volando. Super. This is other, the name is thunder, right? Thunder is light and sound, right? And the name is thunder, right? This is other example, the tornado, about the tornado, right? Most of the tornadoes don't have water, only wind, right? Not so much water. More than water is the wind and the speed turning or spinning and turning and spinning around. Imagine how big and how dangerous can be one tornado, right? The hurricane is different. The hurricane gives water, wind and water, right? Look at the example. This is a thunder lightning, right? With light, right? Lightning, lightning, lightning is dangerous because if electricity, right? It's electricity that the clouds contain inside and is super heavy with wind and everything make a storm and produce the lightning or thunder, right? This is another example about what is the name of this? Tornado, right? Tornado, right? That tornado is really dangerous, can destroy different places. This is a lightning, 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 right? Lightning. And we have other kind of storms. For example, the snow, right, is one kind of storm with water, right? The normal raining is other. And this is ice cubes raining, like drops of ice, right? The name in Spanish is granizo, right? Can destroy too, and is going to be, can be dangerous, right? For kids, for glasses of cars. Miren ahí, puede hasta quebrar el vidrio de un carro, right? It's really dangerous, right? This picture is about the map. This is America, look, and this is one hurricane, right? The hurricane is really dangerous. Look, the hurricane is about water, wind, and electricity too. Most of the hurricanes are in the ocean or form in the water, okay? What is the name of this? The tornado, right? Tornadoes can destroy and leave plants, trees, animals, cars, whatever, right? Is dangerous? Yes. Lightning can kill and destroy too because it's electricity, right? There is waters in oceans, river, and ponds. When the water on air warms, some evaporates or turns into water vapor and make the clouds, right? It's a process, remember. This is one example of the precipitation of water. A normal storm of water, right? When is precipitation of rain in winter, right? And it's important to cover your body with jackets, umbrellas, boots, and everything, right? To stay protected. The storm is over now. The rain has stopped falling and the ground is still wet. Yeah, the water is important for plants, animals, but if it's raining a lot, it's not good. It's not good, right? So, the classwork. Let's do the classwork to finish the class. The classwork is about you're going to draw. Van a dibujar in one paper. You're going to draw if it's thunder, a hurricane, and tornado. Sorry. Aquí era una N, tornado. I'm sorry, I confused. Pido disculpas, aquí era una N, chicos. Tornado. Draw a thunder, hurricane, and tornado, right? No sé qué pasó aquí, que me equivoqué. Al parecer tengo el PowerPoint en español. Okay, look, this is one thunder or lightning, right? You're going to draw it. Van a dibujar algo que se parezca a eso. Number 2, the hurricane, right? You can draw it. Most of the hurricanes, you can put blue or gray. You can color with blue, gray, or you can leave it in white. You can draw it now like this, right? And this is a hurricane. The other is the tornado, right? The tornado is of wind. Remember, right? Can be gray or black. Black, a little bit gray or a little bit black. Not so much, right? The tornadoes are not blue. No le van a poner azul. It's like gray, right? Remember the pictures. Okay, chicos, this is the classwork to classify tornadoes, thunders, hurricanes, storms, and everything. Love you so much. Bye-bye.